Mr. Administrator, is it not true that the land in Lamaan to which this building one is being constructed is not owned by the city government?
As of the moment, not yet, Your Honor.
As of the moment,
Yes, Your Honor.
but you have already constructed it, right?
I understand, Your Honor, that the...
It's not what you understood. I'm asking you, as of now, it is not yet in the name of the city government, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you set up a project on a property not owned by the Ozamis government?
Yes, Your Honor.
How is it so?
Your Honor, a writ of possession has already been issued. The property was already vacated by its occupants, and there was a government project on that site. It was the DPWH that implemented it, Your Honor.
Okay. Kabuti na lang inamin mo. Diyan na. Did the residents voluntarily vacate their houses, or their houses were demolished?
They voluntarily vacated, Your Honor, and it was even, I understand, the contractor who helped them remove some of the remnants, Your Honor.
That's
that
okay.
did not-
Kung voluntary, okay na yun. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please. Slide 1, please.
Sa korte, no? So wala sila giabo, wala sila gipapahawa, gihulat. Under our expropriation law, no, which is kining Republic Act 10752, no, this is an act facilitating the acquisition of road right of way, site, or location for national government infrastructure projects, no? Kining niya, this is a national infrastructure project because proyekto man kani sa national government ang pondo na asagaa nga gibutang sa DPWH agency, no? It's a multi-purpose building to be used for housing units na ako diha ang covered court facilities of a community, covered court, barangay health center, and other facilities nga gikinahanglan sa mga katawhan in that community. And in this provision of RI 10752, Section 6, Guidelines for Expropriation Proceedings, no? Naagibutang dire, now whenever it is necessary to acquire.
Okay, Mr. Chair. My point there is that DS Oaminal already admitted that the expropriation law, the controlling law, is Republic Act 10752. My question to the city administrator, in filing the complaint for expropriation and conscious of the fact that the controlling law is Republic Act 10752, did the city government of Ozamis went through the office of the Solicitor General or the OGCC in filing that complaint?
Please respond,
Yes, yes.
City Administrator.
We have not yet, Your Honor.
Not yet.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, not yet. But they already expropriated the land. As a matter of fact,
Mr. Chair, may I interject because my name was mentioned
Mr. Chair,
on that
I
particular
am
issue?
trying to explain this. If
Mr.
DS Oaminal keeps on interrupting this representation,
No, on that particular
But
point,
he's not
Mr. Chair,
challenging your person. I never heard him challenge your person now on this
No.
here on the floor, here on the hearing.
He's mentioning my name, and he is using my name as an evidence of his
W-
interpellation.
Can you
to-
cite when did you see your name here? Here,
Yeah,
this particular instance?
When he asked the question to the city administrator, when he said that the Oaminal has already admitted that the expropriation law is
you
under
just
such-
admitted.
Hello,
Did you not admit?
That's
DS Marcoleta, please
Mr. Chair,
address the chair.
the DS Oaminal is out of order. He just saw himself. He admitted he invoked Republic Act 10752. What is wrong in that? There's nothing wrong. He admitted. It's only a premise. That's why I'm asking the city administrator if they went through the office of the OGCC or the Solicitor General, because that is what is supposed to be the provision of law.
Please avoid mentioning the name of DS Oaminal in your, interpolations.
Because he is interrupting me, Mr. Chair. I am not. I have no business mentioning his
Yeah,
name.
please,
His
please.
name has nothing to do with this.
Yes, okay.
He presented my press conference, Mr. Chair. So
As a reference material,
yeah, that's why I should be. He's referring. Yeah, that's why I should be allowed
hello,
to interject.
Tinatanong kita, hindi
say, I think the video is self-explanatory. If we debate the video, a 2-minute video with a 10-minute debate, we will not go to what we are finding
Anyway,
out
Mr.
here.
Chair, I yield, but I am just. I am just.
I ordered that DS
registering.
Marcoleta avoid mentioning the name of DS Ominal just to propound questions on the resource persons.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank
Anyway,
you. Thank you.
the city administrator already answered that they did not yet went through the office of either the OGCC or the Solicitor General. And then in his last answer, Mr. Chair, he said that the residents voluntarily vacated their residence. May I ask the COMSEC to please show slides 2, 3, and 4.
Technical service, please play slides 2, 3, and 4.
Walay court order ni. Walay na rin diri mga kasawat na. Ay boto. Ano ni? Klaro ang gobyerno.
2, yan 2.
Among lula na dira.
So Mr. Chair, yan po yung voluntary. Kayo na po ang maghusga, Mr. Chair, kung voluntary yun. City Administrator, did the writ of possession issued by the court miraculously turn into a title and covered all those lots in the name of the city government?
May I?
Naging titulo na ba yun? Naging titulo na nung magkaroon ng writ of possession? Naging titulo at lahat nung in-expropriate ninyong lupa napunta na sa pangalan ng Ozamis City?
If your honor, please.
No. Yes or no? Nung mag-issue ng writ of possession, na-convert na into a title, pagkatapos lahat ng mga lupa na yun napunta na sa pangalan ng city administrator, ng city government? Yes or no?
No, your honor.
Okay, no. Granting for argument that the action taken by the court is correct. Is possession synonymous to ownership? I know you are a lawyer.
In
Is
effect,
possession synonymous to ownership?
in effect, your honor, for expropriation, yes. For purposes of expropriation.
May I ask the opinion of the representative from the OCA, Supreme Court?
Good morning, Your Honors. With respect to that question, usually when a writ of possession is issued, possession over the property is being given to the one who's expropriating it. But insofar as title or ownership in the meantime, that is not necessarily, it doesn't necessarily follow because they have to determine yet what is the
Yes.
compensation, the just compensation,
Yes.
final just compensation that the property owner is entitled to, Your Honor.
Thank you. I think that is very clear. Hindi naman naging titulo kaagad yun eh. Pagkatapos, Mr. Chair, tinayo na kaagad yung building. So it is still a private land. As a matter of fact, the writ of possession is now being questioned. City Administrator,
Mr. Chair, could I ask for
who is the
1 minute
contractor of
recess,
the
Mr.
first
Chair?
building?
1 minute suspension of the roll. Can I request for a 1 minute suspension of the roll?
1 minute suspension.
Okay.
Session resumed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, may I manifest my continuing objection for the record on the manner how the author is presenting or adjudicating evidence in support with his allegation, because as earlier stated, the persons invited, the government officials are resource speakers. They are not witness, but the way how it is being done now, as if they are witness or adverse party of the case, which we have not yet determined who are the adverse party, because it is not yet determined who are the officers and employees who committed the alleged malfeasance, misfeasance,
I
and
already
malfeasance.
enumerated the.
Yes, I'm
the-
just putting it on record.
Yeah,
Mr.
but you
Chair.
already told me about an hour ago to enumerate the offices or agencies that are alleged. So I did that already.
Yes, Mr. Chair, I'm not, my point is in the way how the
Okay,
witness
noted,
is
noted,
adducing evidence in
noted.
support to his allegation.
Yes, noted. Noted by the records. Okay. Mr. D.S. Marcoleta,
Thank
please
you, Mr.
proceed.
Chair. City Administrator, in the
Your Honor.
demolition of the houses of the lot owners, did the court issue writ of demolitions?
There was no demolition, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you.